What's up, guys? Me and Evan coming at you with a new episode of The Roar this week.
First off, we're joined by last week's giveaway winner, Michael Burt.
Burt was our winner of last week's giveaway, and he won a free shirt from our Lions pad.
Anything you want to say to the viewers, Burt?
Just go like and follow The Roar.
Thanks, Burt. Now let's get into the show. Perfect.
We're the UKC champs and you're watching The Roar!
There's not a lot to do in Lansing, but there are a lot of places to go eat.
Let's see which restaurants our students think gotta go.
I'd say Popeyes has to go out of all of these because their food sucks.
Sonic has to go. Easy. You really only serves drinks there that are good. Everything else is greasy, and the drinks that you do get there, you can get all the other options across town.
So out of those four, Freddy's has to go. I like Sonic's drinks too much, and the other two have really, really good chicken. So for me, it's Freddy's.
Sonic's got to go. It's just a bad restaurant. The food is just subpar.
So the worst fast food restaurant out there has got to be Sonic. Too greasy, and their breakfast all day is not a bonus.
I think Sonic has gotta go. It really only has drinks.
What about the Santa Snacks? I thought Santa did a whole thing about Santa Snacks for a Christmas video.
True.
But honestly, I think Popeyes gotta go.
Well, Popeyes was a big trend on TikTok not that long ago. Let's see what Dakota has going on with some TikTok dances.
What's up, guys? It's Dakota here, and I'm here with my sister Taylor. And we've been online school and we've been bored out of our minds. So today we're going to show you guys how to make a TikTok. So the TikTok that we're doing today is the Corvette. And it is a TikTok that's been going around for about 3 weeks or so now. And let's get right into it. So what is the first move to this song, Taylor? Okay, so it's pump the chest, fist back. Okay? So what's the next move?
Corvette.
So it's like a job in steering wheel, so it's Corvette. Okay, what's the next one? Bunny hop.
Bunny hops.
Okay, and then back with the left.
This.
So you're swiping.
Swipe. Right.
Okay.
This.
Warm the hands up.
This.
Dice roll. Come back. Hand talk. Dice roll again. Okay. Then what do you got after? What's the last one? So wait. Whoa. And then it's cross the arms.
Corvette, hop in that like that, and then stand in that like that. They were like, Pop, why you all like that? Why you tall like that? Why you all like that? I'm up for Eddie, I'm up.
We're here with Coach Bass. Bass, do you have any crazy dance moves?
Not really crazy. Back in the day, you just had to keep it tight. Maybe you'd hit them with a little spin.
Ooh.
Those are pretty sweet. You know who else
like
has
that.
crazy moves? The Robots or Robotics team builds.
Most of you may not know what robotics is, but here you go.
So Lansing's robotics team is all about starting with a game design, trying to figure out what your robot's going to do, trying to decide how you're going to make your robot meet those goals in parts, putting it together, and eventually programming the robot to do what you need it to do. It's a lot of fun, it's a lot of challenge, and it gives you a chance to practice a lot of skills that you may or may not feel confident with. So think about coming out and checking us out.
Robotics is a small part of Lansing High School, but it can make one of the biggest impacts on you as a student.
So I am the programmer for the robotics team. My job is just to make the robot be more than just a expensive piece of metal, basically. To me, robotics is a chance to practice engineering from more than just a theoretical standpoint like we do in the classes here, and actually get to build something and make something happen.
Robotics encases anything and everything that has a part to help the team.
My main job in robotics is building. I built a lot of the chassis. I built a good part of the intake. I also helped design, as I designed a big portion of how the intake works.
If you would like to learn more about robotics, you can go see Dr. Krebs in room 3208. Robotics team meets most days after school, and even on Friday and sometimes Saturday and Sunday. This has been Thaddeus Thorne reporting for The Roar.
One day, Evan, robots are going to take over and run our show. They'll make all the announcements for us.
Well, before we get taken over, we have a few important announcements. Lionette tryout clinics are on March 23rd through 24th, and tryouts are on March 25th. Pick up a tryout packet at the main office or email Coach Black at allison.black@usd469.net for details.
Cheerleading clinic will be held Wednesday, March 17th and Thursday, March 18th from 4 to 5:15 in the Lansing High School Gymnasium. Cheerleading tryouts will be held Friday, March 19th at 4 p.m. at the same location.
From now until March 18th, Lansing Stuco is sponsoring a district-wide preschool toy drive. We are accepting new or gently used toys for our little lions. And we'd really appreciate any donations your families can make. All donations can be dropped off at the main office at LHS.
With enrollment coming around the corner and you guys watching The Roar and liking it, make sure you get involved in an AV Fundamentals, Broadcasting, or Video Productions class next year.
Also, NEHS is accepting letters to healthcare workers. If you want to write a letter to hospital workers, make sure to drop your letters off at the main office by next week.
That's all we got time for this week. We'll see you all next time.